Plzlogin is an identifier platform for businesses to verify individuals and organizations for free. The probability of someone committing internet fraud is significantly lower if their identity is known. So Bill Please decided to release Plzlogin for free to protect the digital economy. If you are the person in charge of different organizations, this tutorial will show you how to add more organizations to your Plzlogin account. Please navigate to the Plzlogin website and sign in. The first step is to hover to the Organizations panel on your Plzlogin dashboard and click the Add button. You will be directed to a form to provide the new organization's information. Please fill in the organization's bank account information. The new organization account is now pending verification process. You can proceed to add more organizations by repeating the steps in this tutorial.